Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to connect Toon Blast to Facebook account. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Toon Blast application. Then log in with your credentials or register if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and connect Toon Blast to Facebook account. So first of all, go to the top right corner and click on the gear icon, which will get you to settings. Now here, as you can see, we have save your progress by signing into Facebook, to Apple, or of course there we have those two options that you can of course go and do. So now what you need to do to be able to do this, well, now when you of course install Toon Blast on your, of course, save your other phones. So the first phone needs to be open the second phone, and when you of course can be linked with Facebook or Apple, then go and link the other account with the same. When you of course link it at the end, you should be able to have all the data saved there. So that's by Apple and of course Facebook. You can also transfer to Cloud Sync if you're staying on the same platform. So as I told you, iPhone same Apple Cloud account, which we have here. Android same Android Cloud account. Android to iPhone Cloud Sync does not work, so Facebook is the recommended option, which you can do. Important thing: do not delete Toon Blast or erase your old phone until you confirm that your progress appears in the other phone correctly. And that's basically that. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. That will be everything, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye guys.